make them now.
Excuse me? Hey guys, what's up? Is that how I do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like this.
Hey guys, what's up?
Fly a bird hand.
Bird hand? Is that what I do? A bird hand?
Yes.
Hater.
I farted on your blanket.
You're sick. Alright, you guys. So today we have a special guest with us. She needs no introduction. This is my baby girl, Kenzie.
That was so funny.
She's stuck on the fact that she farted on my blanket. So. Anyways, so we're going to be turning Kenzie into mommy once again. Obviously, you can see we're twins, okay? We're just twinning. That's just what we do. Someone wants to show you something before we start the video. Somebody started kindergarten today. I know, my heart.
See this heart right here? That's for everybody who watched our video.
That was really cute, Kenzie. I didn't even know she was going to say that. That was precious. I love you. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to just take this off until the video is over here. Ding! First, for my bougie baby, we're going to go ahead and hit it with some moisturizer. Things have changed in my routine since the last time. Last time we were real glam, but I'm feeling very natch slay. You want to try some?
Yeah.
No! God dang, girl! It's almost empty! Alright, go ahead. Pat it into your skin. Feel nice and supple, nice and moisturized. You gotta have that skin.
Tickled.
Let's rub into our skin. We can't waste that good moisturizer, girl.
Do I look all moisturizer?
You look very moisturized, honey. Kenzie, my question for you is, do you know how to blend? You do? Alright, we're gonna test that out. We're gonna use the BH Cosmetics Oasis palette. This is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now.
Is that new?
This is new. They just sent it to us last week. That's that beauty guru on a come up right here. And if you want to know if this is how messy I do my own makeup, absolutely yes. I use this gold shade. I just popped it on my lid, nothing serious. But someone wants to use something pink, so I'll allow it. Ooh.
Put a swatch on.
You want me to put a swatch on too?
Yeah.
She wants matching swatches. How cute. Beautiful. A1 swatches. Nice and sparkly.
This one? The pink one, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. That sparkly queen. We're going to hit it with a little bronzer. It's going to be a little bronze babe. Ooh. Cling, 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 cling. Where does this blush go? Do you know? Mm-hmm. Ooh, a rosy queen. So we know this one has a perfect nose, but just to make it look like mine, we're gonna.
Has a perfect nose.
Thank you. You're silly. Just a little tiny bit. It's time for. Dun, dun, dun. Do you know what this is?
No.
This is for your eyebrows.
Clean my eyebrows. Clean eyebrows.
Ooh, get those notes, girl. But guess what? Since I did that video, I don't clean my eyebrows anymore. Are you mad? So instead, I just like a nice, furry, hairy eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Why don't you make up a new song this time?
Ah.
What? What? Where? Above?
Yeah.
God, I thought you saw somebody in the window or something. You scared me to half to death. My heart just dropped. Don't ever. The window's open right here and it's like nighttime. You scared me. Gosh, I just almost peed my pants. I shouldn't have said that. Ah, Kenzie! Disgusting. Clean that up. Get back to topic here. So we're doing a little eyebrow action. I like a nice furry eyebrow.
Oh, Mommy, you not here with me in your pants.
Let me see.
Fluffy eyebrow. Fluffy eyebrow. I always want lipstick because I like lipstick.
What is this?
Not me.
So obviously I'm not doing the exact same technique as I do on myself because we're just doing a, you know, a little kid job. It's a little cute stuff. We're doing something very minimal just for the fun of it because she said she wanted to do this video with me. So it's all for fun, and you guys, just fun and bonding and just chilling. We're gonna fluff these brows extra fluffy. This is my favorite step of all time. This is the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. We're just gonna stick them right up.
You know which one your makeup's my favorite?
What?
All your lipstick.
Oh my gosh, you be sneaking in my room, snatching out my lipsticks. Now time for somebody's favorite part.
What, lipstick?
Yep. First we're gonna put on some liner. This is how Mom gets lips, because Mommy doesn't have lips. But it makes it look like I have some lips. We're gonna hit it with a little BH Cosmetics. Ooh, go. You guys know I'm all about the glitter gloss life. Glitter gloss is life. And this is the Buxom Ariana lip gloss. You ready for this, girlfriend? Ooh, do you see that?
I saw that.
You got some sparkle lips. While I'm at it. She's feeling herself. She's feeling herself. You know that if we're talking highlight, we're talking Fenty Beauty.
That is messy.
Well, we don't need to show them what it looks like.
And that is trash.
Excuse me? I'm not gonna lie, she's a little bit right, but there's still product there, so I'm still gonna use it. It just fell a little bit, it broke.
I was just kidding.
Sure you were. Do you know who Rihanna is?
Who?
Rihanna?
Who's Rihanna?
When I'm with you, all I get is...
Latos.
What?
Latos.
Wild thoughts.
Latos.
Wild thoughts.
Latos.
Wild thoughts.
Someone text you.
He's trying to change the subject, she don't know the words. This highlighter right here is by Rihanna. She made it.
Is that hers?
Mm-hmm.
So why did I give it to you?
She's got a makeup line. Show them the pop and highlight. Oh, whoa. What are you doing? I said turn to the side, show them your highlight. Do this. No. You want to hit some face spray?
On you?
If you want to, yeah, go ahead.
I'll do this.
I'm gonna go ahead and get one more thing to do Kenzie's hair because we have to make Kenzie's hair look like my hair. So I'm gonna go grab something real quick. I'll be right back.
Bye guys, my mommy left.
I got a surprise for you, okay?
No.
Because I want you to look just like me.
I saw it.
I want you to look just like me.
No.
I want you to look just like me. Come on. We are going to do your hair though, but I'm not going to shave it. I promise.
Mommy, sneak out the house so Daddy doesn't know we left to McDonald's.
You want to sneak out?
No.
Barely your first day of school and you're already ready to start sneaking out? Ooh, honey.
Why do I look like I'm bald?
You look like me. Am I bald?
Yeah?
Look at this princess. Okay, hold up. Wait a minute.
What the heck? Let me see. Oh my god.
Ooh.
What, Kenzie?
Aww.
Why so nice? Do I look cute?
You look precious. Is it a twin or not?
Twins.
Twins. This might sound weird, but this makes me really excited to grow my hair back brown because I'm just looking at how cute this looks on Kenzie right now, and I'm just like, girl, I can't wait for that brown hair to come back once I shave this back off. She has her ears pierced, but her ears are very, very sensitive, so I'm not going to put these in there, but they're just some little tiny hoops. I wear these. They're tiny. Ta-da! It's like magic. What do we think? Are we looking alike? Here, I'll take those off your hands, girlfriend.
That's a magic trick.
That was the magic trick right there. 1, 2, ta-da! That is it for this turning my baby girl into me challenge. This thing is not staying on her little head. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Are we trying to talk together?
Yeah.
I don't think we got that kind of telepathy. Maybe. I don't know. The waves might be speaking to each other at this point. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Birdies.
Birdie hands.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.